Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 1, dos. Huge announcement today. Finally got my car back. I'm excited. It's been, oh my goodness, was a fly coming. It's been a long time since I've been back on YouTube. I'm sorry about that. Haven't had a video posted in a while because I didn't have my car because it was getting this fly is getting on my nerves. Golly, take two. We're back. I'm in the same spot. My shirt's still small. Got random cords hanging in my background. I don't care because it's not about me. It's not about that cord in the background. It's about the car. The Hellcat is back. It's back in my garage. It's a beautiful thing. This car has a lot of power and it's only phase one. Phase one, still on pump gas, not on E85 yet, but we will be on E85 hopefully in the next week or so. And we'll get some different dyno runs after that, different horsepower numbers. But like I said, dyno doesn't mean anything. It's all about what's going down on the track. But you guys are not here to hear me talk. I know you guys are not. You guys want to see the car. It's back. It's still on airbags, but the engine looks a little different. All right, let's go over to the car. Now, we got a different color belt. It's a green belt. We got still the leg maker intake. We got a ported supercharger snout. We have long tube headers now. We have a tune. We have catlets mids. I'm gonna go ahead and do a warm startup for you. But this car is absolutely a beast. Also, before we go off, comment below on what times you think I will run. Hopefully it's in the mid 10s, low 10s. I'll take anything in the 10 right now. Like I said, it's only phase one. Looking to have a good time with this car. Like I said, if you could be in the Oklahoma City area, come down to Thunder Valley. I love to see you guys. Come say hi. Come check out the car. I know this is not the first Hellcat that has the same mods. I get it. But it's my car. This is the first time I had these mods, so like I said, I'm gonna have a good time with it. So come along with the journey, come along for the ride. There's gonna be many videos more to come. I finally got my car back, so I'll be vlogging hopefully every day, every other day, but enough to keep you guys interested. Click that like, subscribe, thumbs up, hit the bell, do anything you want to do to follow me. Like I said, the channel is only growing. Always getting subscribers, so thank you guys. I appreciate it. If you guys want to ride along in a Hellcat with me, comment below. If you pass a background check and are safe with me, I'll come take you along with me. All right, like I said, it's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a fun build, fun car. Hey, I'm a fun guy with a small shirt. You guys take care. Have a good night. Peace.